Hello everyone, welcome back to this Python programming series. Today we'll be looking at Python numbers. Now, Python numbers are basically the type of integers or numbers that Python supports. Now, if you look at it, there are several types. First of all is integer, second of all is float, and third is complex. Now, what is an integer? Integers are your whole numbers, basically 10, 20, minus 30, or minus 50, even 0. And float numbers. These are your real numbers which are in decimal points for say 10.9 or 6.66 or 0.78, even negative number 0.89. These are all your real numbers and float numbers. Now, complex numbers are basically which consist of an imaginary part and a real part. For say it can be 7 plus 6i, which means that 6 is an imaginary part and 7 is a real part. We won't be using complex number that much in our future programming videos, but you should still know that Python does support complex numbers. Now, other than this, there is a popular opinion that what are the other data types? First of all, we are working on Python 3.0. In Python 2.0, there used to be a normal int and a long int. Now, in today's Python, which is 3.0, they had finished this normal int and long int distinction and made it just a simple long int. This is nothing to worry about. I just needed to point out the fact that there used to be two different types for int in the first Python 2.0 version, but now they've changed to one. Other than this, there are octal numbers and hexadecimal numbers. Hexadecimal are represented by 0x and octal are represented by 0o. Okay, and the rest can be any number or ahead of them, like this. Now, integer types. Integer types are like this. Suppose this. This is an integer type, as you can see here. If I press this, it will print 10. Okay, and now a float type is this. I guess I should make it this, and that is a float type. As you can see, it disregards the last 0. And another important thing, supposedly some of you need to write something like this: 4 into 10 raised to power 4. Then you don't write it like this in Python. You use the exponential symbol, which is e, capital E or small e. So you will write it as 4 e 4 positive 4. And if you want to write 4 raised to power 10 minus 4, then you will change this at 4e minus 4. You can write whichever e you want, capital or small e, it doesn't matter.